Hello, and welcome to my project, Chickie, a virtual companion. This program is a virtual pet game combined with a mental wellness app which aims to improve the user's overall mental well-being and to encourage self-care management. The core gameplay revolves around interacting and caring for a chicken virtual pet named Chickie. Each of Chickie's various needs, happiness, food, water, health, and energy, need to be managed by a player, which is done either by feeding Chickie by buying it food, which will eventually affect the stats, or by interacting with Chickie by performing several activities with them, which include playing ball, sleeping, showering, petting, or exploring, like this. There are also several self-care features in the game to promote self-care habits. The journal, the journals allow users a space to self-reflect and express their feelings in a private area only they can access. Uh, additionally, additionally, there is a self-care task system. There is a self-care task system that incentivizes users to perform various self-care activities by rewarding them with in-game currency, which can be used to buy cosmetics and food. So, um, and each day these self-care tasks are reset, which allows for continual activities. And then, as I said before, these can use to buy cosmetics for the pet, which add a little bit of fun. Additionally, the game includes an AI chatbot implemented using in-world AI Unity SDK. First, I want to clarify that I did not make this chatbot. I used a free Unity package provided by InWorld on the Unity Asset Store to integrate their free chatbot into my game. Therefore, none of the code for this chatbot is made by me. I used a pre-made asset to create this. But this is mostly just to show, but that is mostly because creating natural language processing and actual artificial intelligence is extremely difficult, especially for a person of my age as a high school student. But I still believe that as a demonstration, this can prove very useful to demonstrate the impact artificial intelligence can have on our modern society. So as a demonstration, this chatbot can hold realistic conversations with Chickie, which will allow them to a space to just talk with artificial intelligence. So as an example, hello. Hi there, how are you feeling today? I'm feeling a little bit down. I have so much work to do recently, and AP exams are coming up. Sounds like you have a lot on your plate right now. That can be overwhelming, but don't forget to take breaks and take care of yourself. Remember to breathe deeply and take steps one at a time. You got this. So, first question, why did I make this project? Uh, Poor mental health is becoming an increasingly pressing issue in uh, modern society, especially following the COVID-19 lockdown. Stressful life events constantly cause poor mental health for many people, from high school students to adults. Uh, and I believe that technology, particularly artificial intelligence, can help people struggling with maintaining good mental health and self-care. Gamifying the process, gamifying the process of uh, self-care and uh, gamifying the process of self-care provides motivation to stick to a self-care routine, and playing relaxing casual games itself can provide a way to de-stress and relax from various real-world stressors. Additionally, the chatbot allows people who do not receive proper mental health care, or either due to anxiety, shyness, or personal or internalized stigma, for from discussing their issues, or just financial inability to afford professional help. Uh, they provide these kinds of people another outlet to express their mental health concerns. The chatbot acts like a companion for these people, a substitute for human interaction that can help with loneliness or poor mental health. One of the things I found difficult when creating this program was the fact that this was my first ever Unity and C# program, so I had to learn everything from the bottom up. But I managed to learn everything I needed due to online due to online tutorials as well as attending a one-on-one Unity game development programming class. Also, it was difficult finding the best natural language processing and AI system for my Unity-based project, since most services cost money or a lot of technical expertise to implement. Luckily, though, after some research, I found on the Unity Asset Store the in-world AI Unity SDK, which let me easily integrate an AI chatbot into my game. But again, I did not create the chatbot. Some of the limitations include the fact that the in-world AI is run on a daily limit quota for 60 minutes daily across all users. This severely restricts the impact and scope of the project, and especially when the goal of it is to make mental health help more accessible and easily interactable for many people. So if I eventually expand and I'm able to receive some more of funding for this project in the future, if I decide to make it like an actual app and game, I plan to either upgrade to a higher plan or change to a new platform such as Dialogflow, which will let me um, have a higher daily use quota, or if I gain enough knowledge in natural language processing and programming, I can create my own. AI. I also want to add more pet care activities because I feel like currently there aren't many, and adding more would allow for more interactability for my uh, game. And I also hope to add a create your own self-care task features, because if you notice, there are only 5 different self-care tasks currently in the game, but I hope to make it so that the user themselves can put in their own self-care tasks, such as mopping the floor, or even something simple as take a shower, so that way they can personalize it to their own needs.